Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video we're going to be making cucumber, orange, lettuce, lemon and the ginger juice. We're going to be making juice with all this, but we're making cucumber juice and then we're adding it some oranges and the lettuce. I have a bunch of lettuce here. I have 4 oranges, 1 small lemon and the ginger root. So let's get started, and we'll start by washing all this first. I'll take them to the sink to wash. So I'm done washing all. Wash the cucumbers, the lettuce and the oranges with the lime and the ginger, though I'll still peel the back of the ginger. So the next step is to start cutting them, and I'll start with the cucumbers. So I'm done cutting the cucumbers and also the lettuce, the ginger and the lemon. What we have left now is the oranges, so I'm going to peel the orange. I'm going to peel the oranges. I have different videos on how to juice the orange, so you can check that out. For this one I'm going to peel it because I'm going to add it together with the cucumbers to blend. I'm not juicing this one separately. This is for weight loss and also glowing skin. You can also enjoy it. We call it detox juice because you can see is this orange that is going to make it a little bit sweet, but it's not going to be sweet. That's the honest truth. It is not going to be sweet. So if you want sweet one, then don't add it lettuce. But with that lettuce, you get the toast. You get blood from it also. So this is how I'm going to peel all of them. Can you see what I'm doing? When you put hand here, you can open it. Let's taste the orange. know me, I'm testing. You know you sweet. Remove the seeds this way. This is what I'm going to do to remove the seeds. And here we are done with all of them. This is the cucumber inside and the oranges, the lettuce with some of the oranges. I've deseeded the lemon also, and then I have my ginger. So let's put everything together and blend. Yeah. So here we have our juice. This is our detox juice. This is best taken first thing in the morning and last thing at night. This will help to detoxify your system, give you a healthy skin and body, and also boost your immune system and even your iron level because of the lettuce in it. So I'm going to transfer this into the container where that I'm going to use and store in the fridge. So treasures, here we have our detox juice. I'm going to be testing it. I told you it's not going to be sweet, but it is worth drinking. It's not bad. Oh, I always forget to say cheers. Cheers. Yes, it's nice. I'm going to be keeping preserving this one in the refrigerator. At least this can serve me for 2 days, morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening here. Okay, this can last for 3 days, but I'm going to keep these ones in the freezer and this one in the fridge, because I'll be taking this one tomorrow morning. This is evening time. I've already taken this, so I'll be taking this tomorrow morning and evening tomorrow night. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button. Please press that like button, and also share the video to your friends and the loved ones. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye.